Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome to this channel. I'm Namu, the channel host. Now, yesterday night while I was on Twitter just chatting with my friends, something amazing and incredible happened. And that's why I'm making this video. First of all, I'll tell you what happened if you are not on Twitter or if you're not aware. BI, who was originally in iKON or also known as Hanbin, his real name is Hanbin. He has currently left iKON and I think has currently ended his contract with YG Entertainment, and he is, I think, a soloist now. So he is releasing all of these demos as music for his fans, and yesterday he released his third demo number 3, which absolutely blew up Twitter. Now everyone was interested in what this was gonna be, and everyone is always interested in Hanbin because he is one of the geniuses and he was one of the main force behind music production of iKON. So I'm a big fan of Hanbin always. So we're gonna react to this demo number 3, and then I'm gonna talk about a little bit about the Hanbin situation and what I think of it, and what might happen, what might not happen. Hanbin's next step, we'll just discuss about it. But first, let's react to demo number 3, Hanbin. It absolutely freaking blew up. It's amazing the power Hanbin has. Is almost as good as Blackpink. Always trends number 1 worldwide. Always freaking kills everything. So it's amazing to watch.
내 걱정은 마시고 늘 그랬듯 어여쁘시오.
Okay, vocals.
꽃이 지면 바람 맞는 낙으로 살아가겠어.
Wow.
나란히 바라봤던 모든 배경, 황홀보다 황홀했던 새벽, 모든 질문과 대답, 걱정과 생각, 당신의 세상 그 안에 내가 아직 숨을 쉬기에 글썽이지 말아요. 내 사는 이유가 당신 웃음이었잖아요. 혹시 나의 흔적이 지치게 하는 날엔 그땐 아주 잊으셔도 돼요. 향기가 돼 그대 코끝에 머물렀다가.
Wait. What is going on? He is switching back between rap and singing so well, and it's amazing. Wow.
다시 노을이 돼 스며들게요. Yeah. 내 걱정은 마시고 늘 그랬듯.
Don't worry about me, and please be as beautiful as you've always been. This seems like a direct message to his fans. Hanbin has always been a really emotional type and really always worries about everyone.
꽃이 지면
Because he was the leader of iKON.
살아가겠어. 나나나 난 분명히 사랑을 받았고.
Amazing.
나나나
The lyrics are really deep. I smile with that one memory.
전부 다행이었네. 우리라는 단어에 소속돼 있던 기분은 마땅히 표현할 문장이 없네. 이 기적 같은 삶의 끝자락이 오면 부디 바라는 거 하나 더.
Of course, you have to understand that this is a demo, so it's a demo for a reason. He is still perfecting his, but the lyrics, just reading them and understanding his feelings behind, and that's just
표현할 문장이 없네. 이 기적 같은 삶의 끝자락이 오면 부디 바라는 거 하나 덕분에 괜찮은 생을 살았고 짙은 여운이 남았어. 그게 참 고마웠었다고 말 한마디만 전하게 해줘. 달빛이 돼 그대 꿈속에 머물렀다가 다시 새벽이 돼 부서질게요.
Such vocals, even though he's a rapper, such vocals.
걱정은 마시고 늘 그랬듯 어여쁘시오. 꽃이 지면 바람 맞는 낙으로 살아가겠어. 나나나
many people have this preconception that in groups generally the rappers who are there they can't sing very well, but that's actually not the case. It's actually opposite of the case, because many of these companies, many of these idol companies, they require a certain standard of singing and dancing from every of their trainee, but rapping is something which you can do extra. So most of the rappers already know how to sing and dance up to a certain standard. I mean, they may not be like really amazing, but they are definitely good enough to sing on their own up to a certain standard. So it's another different fact that they don't get to rap much because of the group, like because their main vocals other than them, but they can definitely sing like Hanwin.
난 분명히
Such a
사랑을
good voice,
받았고
just a good voice.
나나나 그 기억 하나로 써보겠어. 혹시 나를 기억해 줄래요? 난 못 잊어요 그 모든 날을.
Such a good, even the melody is really good.
우연처럼 그댈 찾아갈게요. 내 걱정은 마시고 늘 그랬듯 어여쁘시 꽃이 지면 바람 맞는
So good,
낙으로 살아가겠어. 나나나
It just makes you feel like lift your hand and
난
just wave.
분명히 사랑을 받았고 나나나 그 기억 하나로 써보겠어.
I think that's it. That was really good. That was, Hanbin is definitely up to something. You guys, if you're gonna be reacting or gonna be if you're Hanbin fans basically, if you're fans of BI, if you're iconics like me, please support him, because he's been through a rough time. We all know that, and I think I should talk about it. So Hanbin, he was the leader of Icon for many years. I think 4 years or 5 years, maybe 4 years. He was the leader of Icon under YG Entertainment, and he I don't think so. It was actually true, but the problem was, or the accusation against him, that he was undergoing some depression. So I think he asked for some drugs for to, like, when people go under depression, they generally rely on drugs and other vices, so that they might overcome that depression and they might be happy. So he was accused of buying and using drugs, but in truth he did not use any of the drugs. Actually, he did not even buy any of the drugs. I think he was just asking for drugs under some difficult time and under some pressure, but it did not happen and he was later, according to the jurisdiction and according to the court, he was released from his charges. But when he was under those charges, he was getting a lot of scrutiny for it, and that's why YG Entertainment, being YG Entertainment, they I don't know what the problem is with them. They maybe just don't know how to handle this situation. They don't know how to handle bad publicity, because it happened with Park Bomb before, and it also happened with T.O.P. Top of the Big Bang before. And I don't think so they handle these kinds of situations very well. So they just let Hanbin go. They just terminated his contract from the company, and then not disbanded, but he was removed from the lineup of Icon. And it was sad for every one of us, And after his charges were cleared, they did not even clear everything up. They did not ask him to join back. Like recently, Wonho joined back a subsidiary of Starship Entertainment, I think Highline Entertainment, and that was everyone was really happy to hear, because being under the same company, he might again do stuff with Monster X. So it would be the similar if Hanbin rejoined like the Black Label, for example, which is a subsidiary of YG Entertainment, but it is really less probable in this case, because first of all, I don't think Hanbin wants to go back to his older company, who like almost abandoned him in times of need. Second, there is a probability, or there is a prediction, that Hanbin might collaborate with Lee Hai, who also left YG Entertainment, and because of this one picture. And it's I don't know about that. I'm not sure. It might happen. It might not happen. Overall, Hanbin's situation is pretty. It's an eye-opening one for everyone. It's an eye-opening one for companies, because it's definitely not how a company should act. And Hanbin being one of the most amazing rappers and the most amazing producer. You know, I'll show you one clip of his rapping, which really, I know there are like many amazing clips, but this one clip really made me enjoy Hanbin, and that's here.
Yeah, right. We go hop,进步，让太太要求进步，你某年都进球，现在打不了的进球，看不了手里，能马上也没问题，怎么都给，都要走你，怎么快把我们干死，不能动你。
This clip was so hit my heartstring, because before Icon, I really loved Big Bang as well, and Big Bang going to military and all, it was again a sad time for me, but they covered Bang Bang Bang, and that was really amazing. And Hanbin's rap was super good, especially he covered G Dragon, and that is the best combination. So we all know Hanbin is an amazing genius, and always keep supporting him, guys. Hanbin is trying to make a comeback, and let's help him all we can, please. I don't know, I think this was released on SoundCloud, his SoundCloud, so please go to SoundCloud. If you don't have one, make an account. I did yesterday. make an SoundCloud account, and check this out song, stream it if you can. Do whatever to support him for his future endeavors. If you're iconics out there, if you're just K-pop fans out there, this person has been through a lot, and let us help him all. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I was just ranting about and getting this off my mind. So if you liked this, please leave a like. Oops. Sorry. If you liked it, please leave a like. Please subscribe below. Comment down what you want me to react to next. Tomorrow, I think 17 is coming back with a new comeback. Hit the Road, I think, or something. I don't really know. It was again trending on Twitter. So I'ma check that out, and tell me what you want me to react to further. Please put it in the comments below, and I'ma see you guys later. Peace.